Which broker is better for us in 2026? Watch me as I break down two of the top brokers out there, and I'll share the things that I feel you guys need to know about them. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so for this video, we will be checking out Invidiatrade and Pepperstone. So I will share the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about them. That way you could also, add that into your research and see for yourself which one is the better fit for your style. So when comparing these online trading platforms, which is Invidiatrade and Pepperstone, they are often evaluated by the traders that are seeking that global financial markets and the advanced trading tools. Now, both of these platforms provide exposure to major asset classes, which also includes Forex, you have stocks, you have cryptocurrencies, and you also have the indices. And it allows the traders to diversify their strategies across different market sectors. Now, let's start off with Pepperstone. So it is actually widely recognized as the global broker that is known for its established presence and access to the popular trading platforms. Now, in contrast to that, Invidiatrade is positioning itself as a modern trading technology and the user platform design. Now, from a platform and trading tools perspective, both of these brokers are offering professional grade charting and multiple order types. However, guys, Invidiatrade emphasizes a clean interface with modern charting tools and trading view style analytics that actually allow the traders to analyze the price movement with details indicators and that customizable layouts that traders really love. Now, a lot of traders are actually reporting that the platform is operating smoothly with responsive charts and fast execution speeds that actually can be very particular in terms of valuing that active trading strategies. So regarding the fees and spreads, which is, in my honest opinion, a very big factor on choosing which among these two brokers are the one that fits you, is actually both of them operates with that competitive pricing structures that depends on their account type. Now, if you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, stop trading based on guesswork. Introducing SignalPeak.io. It is a trading signal platform that is focused on precision and not random entries. With Signal Peak, you get real-time trading signals, clear entry, take profit, and stop loss levels, structured market analysis, channels tailored to your different trading styles, and most importantly, discipline and proper risk management always comes first. Still unsure? They offer a free trial so you can test it out and see the quality before making a commitment. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure and trade with confidence. Try SignalPeak.io today. Now let's get back to the video. Pepperstone is known for the tight spreads on certain accounts, while Invidiatrade, guys, is often described by the users as offering that competitive spreads and transparent trading conditions that will definitely appeal to the traders that are looking to manage their cost efficiently. Of course, you and I are looking for the broker, the right broker that would actually give us the tools, the advantages, the features, and the benefits without breaking the bank. And of course, still maintaining a very good profitability with our trades. Now, when it comes to the deposit and withdrawals, which is also a key consideration, guys, both of the brokers are actually supporting multiple payment methods and are aiming to provide that efficient processing. Now, in discussion around Invidiatrade, guys, users are actually letting us know that smooth withdrawal experiences and the very responsive customer support is actually some of the things that they really love about the platform. Now, overall, Invidiatrade stands out for its evolving technology, the modern interface, and of course, that flexible trading environment. Now, Pepperstone may appeal to traders that are seeking long-established brokerage. Now, as with any broker out there, guys, traders are encouraged to conduct their own research. And of course, check out their website. There are tons of information that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them better on who they are, what they do, and what are the advantages as well as the features and the benefits that they will be able to offer to you once you are using them already. And of course, if you're new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.